Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Ahmad Cesagio Pramono. My student ID is 1525056 from class 15 to A07. Today I would like to present my journal article review report where I review two journal articles related to artificial intelligence and its application. My first article I review is a title A Comprehensive Review of AI Current Impact and Future Prospect in Cybersecurity, written by Abdullah Al-Siam, Mautaz Al-Azab, Al-Bara Awajan, and Nuruzzaman Faruqui. It was published in IEEE Access, Volume 13 in 2025. I choose this article because it is closely related to programming language and give insight into how AI technologies, such as machine learning, deep learning, and NLP, can strengthen cybersecurity system across different domains, including threat detection, network security, and fraud detection. Summary of the article is this article provides a comprehensive literature review of AI roles across five cybersecurity domains: threat detection, endpoint security, phishing and fraud detection, network security and adaptive authentication. The results show significantly that AI significantly improve detection, prevention, and response in cybersecurity. However, however, the authors also point out that challenge remains, especially in explainability, adversarial robustness, privacy, and data governance. For the strength, there are several strengths in this article. First, the topic itself is very relevant and timely, combining AI with cybersecurity. Second, the five domain structure make it easy to follow. And third, it published in IEEE Access, a reputable peer-reviewed journal, which adds to its credibility. And for the weakness, on the other hand, since this is a literature review, it doesn't provide original experimental data. Some topics like adaptive authentication are only discussed briefly and the review doesn't follow a formal method like Prisma, which reduces its reproducibility. And in my opinion, this article is very useful because it gives a broad understanding of how AI is applied across different cybersecurity domains. I think it can serve as a good reference for students and researchers who wants to explore this field further. For the conclusion, overall, I think this article has a good quality in terms of content and method. Even with some limitation, it's still worth reading as an academic reference for learning software engineering and web programming concepts. Now, let's move on the second journal, which discuss a different but equally important topic. The second article is titled Dual-Channel Meta-Federated Graph Learning with Robust Aggregation and Privacy Enhancement, written by Jingtong Huang, Shu Ma, Yuan Ma, Kehao Chen, and Xiaoyu Zhang. Published in Future Generation Computer System, Volume 166 in 2025. I picked this article because it relates to programming language as well, and it shows how federated learning combined with graph neural networks allow multiple parties to train a model together without sharing their raw data, which addresses both performance and privacy at the same time. For the summary of the article, the author proposed a method called DC-MetaFit-GCN to solve two main problems: missing cross-client edges and non-IID data distribution in federated graph learning. They tested this using benchmark datasets like citation networks and social graph across multiple federated client setups. The results show that this method outperforms existing federated and centralized GNN model in terms of accuracy, F1 score, and communication efficiency. And for the strengths, this article combines meta-learning, federated GCN, and homomorphic encryption in an innovative way. It also uses strong privacy protection through homomorphic encryption, and the experiment clearly show better performance compared to existing method. It's also published in the reputable Key1 journal. For the weakness, however, homomorphic encryption creates a high computational overhead, and the datasets used may not fully represent real-world conditions. The meta-learning method may also be less effective when data or clients are very limited, and the paper doesn't discuss protection against attacks like model poisoning. My personal opinion, I think this article is useful because it shows how multiple advanced techniques, meta-learning, dual-channel graph attention, and homomorphic encryption can be combined to solve complex privacy and performance issues in distributed AI systems. And the conclusion, in summary, this article makes a solid and technically rigorous contribution to the field of federated graph learning by addressing both structural data loss and data heterogeneity. Through a unified framework, the author helped advance privacy-aware distributed machine learning. Before I close, here are the references for both articles I reviewed. And that's it. That's a conclude my review of both articles. Thank you for your attention, and I'm open to any question. Thank you very much.